Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with the Daily Goodie Box, it's free to join. You set up a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a box of goodies to review. It's as simple as that. And the card on the inside is just a reminder to review them all. Super easy, and I'll put their social media below because they do give out boxes on there as well. And first up, we have some ginger chews. I actually love these and I have them in my pantry right now, but I just get the regular ones. These ones are flavored, so it has lychee in it. I hope I said that right. Yeah, so excited to try that flavor. Haven't had those, but if you like the taste of ginger, you'll like them. It's exactly what they say. They're chewy little pieces of ginger. So delicious. They're individually wrapped and I love them. Next up we have Blister Balm, naturally medicated cold sore therapy, made with 100% natural ingredients. Very nice. Then we have a beverage, which typically we get a beverage and I love it. I like that drinks are included. This is by Seltzer. No calories, no sweetener, no sodium, naturally flavored. This has lime in it. Very interesting. And then we have something from Cate and Chloe. Oh wow, that's the first time there's ever been jewelry in there. That's really pretty. Let's take a look. I'm not able to tell if it's sterling silver. It does have some writing on it, but I can't quite make it out. But these are really pretty. Big solitaire and then a bunch of little tiny diamond-like stones surrounding it. So super cute. Definitely an earring anyone could wear. And there may be some more information about it in the box because they do give little handouts and stuff as well. So maybe we'll find out more at the end of the box. But next up we have Tiger Balm Active. This is pain relieving muscle spray, easy to apply for hard to reach areas. I've heard a lot of things about this brand, really good things, but I haven't tried it because I don't really get aches and pains like that, which is good. But yeah, cool that it comes in a spray because normally it's just a balm. Next item in the box is food item. This is almond coconut fruit and nut bar. And the brand is Prince and Spring. So I love this box. I normally get something to eat and something to drink in here, and then cool little extras thrown in as well. Next item is Teami Alive. Teami, I think they do diet tea, I believe. I know I've seen that before, but this includes 15 tea bags. Steep for 1 to 3 minutes and enjoy. It says it has a tinge of spicy sweetness due to its ginger honey content. So yeah, I bet that's good. I do like ginger a lot, like I said earlier, so I will enjoy that, I'm sure. Next from Ariel Chemistry, Environmental Rescue Mask with MTHV complex. It contains 1 mask. I have had facial products from this company. It's a pretty good brand, so definitely excited for that. Helps with all sorts of things here. It says it brightens your complexion, promotes cellular repair, diminishes dark spots, all sorts of stuff. So a nice sheet mask. And then I think we're finally at the end of the box, but there's always, if I could pick it up here, a paper clip with some goodies, some more information about your goodies. Promo codes are often included if you'd like to purchase the products online. Yeah, so we did get something about Cate and Chloe. You can get a matching necklace or another pair of earrings for $19.99 plus shipping with their code. Cool. And then an advertisement for Real Chemistry. They have a kit that you can get for $45. Very nice. So that is what I got today in my daily goodie box for the month of March. I will put all their information below, like I said, and if you want to check them out, it'll be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.